Are you planning a birthday party that's a little spooky, a little quirky, and full of imagination? Then the Coraline theme is perfect for creating a magical yet mysterious vibe. Inspired by the whimsical world of Coraline, this party theme blends eerie elegance with fun. From button eyes to blue hair, this setup will surely captivate your guests. Whether it's for kids or even older fans of the movie, Coraline-themed decor is unforgettable. So, let's dive into some creative ideas to turn your space into the other world. Stay till the end for a full guide on how to pull everything together with ease. What colors work best for a Coraline-themed birthday party? Deep blue, yellow, black, and gray are the signature Coraline colors. Use these in balloons, table covers, and hanging decorations. Add pops of orange or red for a slightly eerie vibe. Think of stormy skies, rainy days, and mystery. These should inspire your color choices. Use dim lighting or fairy lights to enhance the atmosphere. Contrast warm and cool tones for that otherworld effect. How can I design the entrance to match the Coraline theme? Create a doorway that mimics the famous tunnel Coraline crawls through. Use pool noodles, black cloth, and fairy lights to design a curved entry arch. Add blue and purple lighting to enhance the mystery. Hang beware or welcome to the otherworld signs. Scatter plastic rats or black cats around the entrance for effect. Guests will feel like they're stepping into Coraline's adventure. Like what you see. Give this video a thumbs up for more party tricks. What kind of table settings would fit the Coraline vibe? Use dark blue tablecloths with black and yellow accents. Add custom plates or printables with button eyes and key motifs. Use mini black cats as napkin holders or table centerpieces. Sprinkle fake moss or cobwebs for an eerie yet elegant touch. Include Coraline quotes or character names on place cards. Candles or LED lights can give your table a spooky glow. How can I incorporate buttons in the decorations? Buttons are a key part of Coraline's world, so use them everywhere. Glue oversized buttons onto balloons, walls, and treat boxes. Make a button backdrop for the dessert table or photo area. Use button stickers to decorate favor bags and straws. Create a button eyes game station for kids. You can even craft button garlands to hang across the room. Save this idea by hitting the share button below. What are some Coraline-themed centerpiece ideas? Miniature Coraline dolls, keys, and black cats make great centerpieces. Place them inside decorative bird cages or under glass domes. Use faux plants, moss, and string lights to add texture and mood. Add little welcome home signs and creepy handwriting. You can even DIY a spinning wheel centerpiece with button cutouts. A better mother figure with button eyes adds a creepy twist. How do I design a Coraline-inspired dessert table? Use themed cupcakes with button toppers and blue icing. Add a cake shaped like Coraline's face or the infamous key. Label treats as ghost eyes, other mother's bites, or button pops. Include a jar of jelly beans labeled soul snacks. Decorate the table with spiderweb lace and faux candlelight. Backdrop ideas: black velvet with hanging keys or buttons. Hit the like button and subscribe this channel for more party decoration ideas. What are some fun activities for guests at the party? Set up a Coraline scavenger hunt with hidden keys or buttons. Let kids design their own otherworld masks or eyes. Offer a photo booth with wigs, button eyes, and props. Host a creepy crawl race or mini costume contest. Run a movie viewing zone with cozy floor seating. Add storytelling time for younger guests to hear Coraline tales. How can I design the perfect photo area? Choose a dark curtain or tunnel backdrop with string lights. Add Coraline elements like button eyes, black cat cutouts, and tiny doors. Use props like yellow raincoats, keys, and dolls. Create a layered look with fog machines or cloud effects. Frame the area with paper flowers or button garlands. A welcome to the otherworld sign completes the look. Capture the moment. Subscribe for more DIY backdrops. A Coraline-themed birthday party is a magical blend of fun and eerie. With a few clever details, you can bring this movie to life. Use color, texture, and story elements to build the perfect atmosphere. Focus on small details like buttons, keys, and dark lighting. Kids and adults alike will love the creativity of this setup. The best part? Most decorations are budget-friendly and DIY. Let your imagination guide you as Coraline did in the other world. We hope this guide helps spark your inner party planner. If you enjoyed these Coraline birthday party ideas, don't forget to show some love. Hit the like button to support more theme-based party inspiration. Drop a comment telling us your favorite decoration idea from today. Share this with a friend who's planning something unique and magical. We'd love to hear your own Coraline party tips too. Make sure you're subscribed so you never miss our next creative guide. Thanks for watching. Happy haunting and happy birthday planning.